Hey y'all, today is Earth Day. What a beautiful day for us to celebrate this wonderful earth that we live on, y'all. Listen to the birds. You know, down south, we're already into the beginning of our summer. And so we have been to a point where, gosh, now for a month, we could have started our planning where you folks, y'all may still have snow on the ground in some areas of this country, but I want you to just walk out here with me and help me celebrate this beautiful Earth Day today. Bark, bark, bark! Bark, bark, bark! Look at the chickens. They're so pretty. And to get fresh eggs every day. Oh my gosh. I mean, so, you know, here at my house, we all like to celebrate Earth Day every day because we count on these precious little girl chickens to give us our eggs, and we count on our fruit trees to supply us with our fruit. This is a pear tree. That's a lemon tree right there. We've got our fig trees back here, and over here is our flower garden where we have some form of jasmine, isn't it, Eddie?
That's honeysuckle.
Honeysuckle. And this carried over from last summer. Can you believe it? And we've got these beautiful firecracker plants right here. And the Gerber daisies are starting to bloom. Look how beautiful. And in a little while, we're going to start planting the zinnias, which are going to give us all these beautiful colors. Over here is our herb bed. So we like to contain our herbs. And look at this. I planted this, gosh, 2 or 3 years ago, and it's gotten huge. This is a climbing
Rosemary.
this is a climbing rosemary bush, y'all. And you see the way it's just weeping and just climbing and falling. I just adore this rosemary bush.
I love how it hangs just
I
over
know,
the wall.
I know. Wouldn't it? It'd be beautiful in a hanging basket, right, Eddie? So we'll be planting our basil, our thyme, our oregano, we'll even put some spring onions in here. Hello, there's one of my little grandchildren. We can't come near each other though. We're having to keep 6 feet apart. But Sully, your kitty loves you, baby. I know you do. So these will be filled up with herbs, and we might even put a cherry tomato bush in there. Who knows? With all the possibilities that God has given us on this earth, there's a lot of stuff we can do, y'all. And not only do I send you love and best dishes, I send you love and best flowers. Bye-bye.